We are so glad you're here at Fun TV. This is your G Mama, and I'm here with Wonder. We are going to open up those Play-Doh horses that we made last video, and I'm going to show you how to make a bale of hay so we can feed them.
And guess what? We have surprises in there too.
And at the end of this video, we have the official trailer for the new movie that's coming out this summer, Jurassic World. It's actually Jurassic Park 4.
And I can't wait to go see that. I can't wait till it's here.
So here we have the clay. The surprise is already in it, and I was just using my plastic knife to put streaks on it like hay, pieces of hay, and then tied up. The bales are tied up, so I put, a ring around it to look like the tie. And horses eat a lot, so I made them 3 bales. Also, we're gonna just sit back and see what these surprises are now. Enjoy!
Enjoy, and thank you for watching our video.